The nervous system is a very important one in the human body. It is a complex one, means to understand and study somewhat difficult, and very important one, very must one, because it controls all the actions of our body. See, I draw a just outline of the nervous system of a human body. In that you may watch for all the parts the nervous system is going. Isn't it? Isn't it? It is must. All the parts should be connected with the brain by this nervous system. Like the muscles. The bone at the center. For example, in our hand, the bone will be the center part. So around that the muscles, and it is covered by the skin. So in the muscles, the each and every part is connected with the nerves. Then only the command and control by the brain will happen smoothly. So this nervous system is divided into three main parts. That is, the first one is, what is this? In the human head, what we are having? Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. And see here, can you watch this one? I draw in a thick red line. What is that? It is a, no, it is not a backbone. Inside the backbone, what is going on? Yes, spinal cord. What is this? Spinal cord. Spinal cord. Okay, then the third one, all the small things all over the body is called nerves. Not only here, just I am writing, but all the small lines what I draw is nerves. N-E-R-V-E-S. So all these three joined together is called nervous system. Is it clear, student? In the nervous system, I already told it contains three main parts like brain and spinal cord, then nerves. In that, the first part, that is about the brain, we are going to study now. I just draw the outline, sketch of the brain. The picture is given in your textbook also. You know, in the last chapter itself, we studied that is a brain is a very important and also delicate organ in a human body. It is a delicate one, so it is protected by the skull, which is very strong bone, isn't it? Number of bones joined together, and our skull is protecting the brain. In the brain also, there are three parts, means it controls the whole body, isn't it? So, being a one, it may be difficult. If the duties are divided, then it will be easy, isn't it? In our, for example, in our class itself, the teacher is controlling the class, but for her help, she will choose the class leader, and class leader may choose the group leader. Otherwise, for each bench leaders we are selecting to control the class, and also for the smooth going of the class, isn't it? So like the same, the brain is controlling our body, but the brain is divided into three main parts for the purpose of smooth going. Okay, so those parts are called, the uppermost part is called cerebrum. What is cerebrum? C-E-R-E-B-R-U-M. Cerebrum, the uppermost part of the brain. And you can see here the part which is drawn by the red color, that is called cerebellum. What? Cerebellum. C-E-R-E-B-E-L-L-U-M. Cerebellum. And see this one, like a stem. It seems like a cauliflower and it like a stem, isn't it? Our brain look a cauliflower, and for cauliflower it contains stem. Like the same, here we have the stem like a part in the brain. Brain stem also called. This one is called medulla. What? Medulla. M-E-D-U-L-A. Medulla. M-E-D-U-L-L-A. Medulla. Like that, the brain is divided into three main parts.